You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 23 over 24 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 12 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 15.